I am here in Cumming, Georgia. This lady calls me in a panic. Cat's been up in the tree for 6 days, and it's been hot and hadn't been much rain, and 2 other tree workers tried to get it, couldn't get it, and she is beside herself about getting the cat down. And I told her I would get it down. So here we go. You know, she's been trying to get this cat down, and she put up a ramp, a net. She had a water hose out here. She's got several neighbors out here helping. I can imagine the panic they had trying to get this cat out of a tree. The cat's only about 45 feet up, but he's skittish, and so I have taken that in consideration, that it's skittish. So, hey big boy, hey big boy, how you doing, Pumpkin? Huh? He's gonna fall! He's gonna fall! He's gonna fall! I don't know. He saved himself. I got him!